Amid French Army's interest in the Pinaka system, Indian Army Chief has left for an official visit to France. The Pentagon has expressed a strong interest in seeing the Indian Air Force join the ranks of nations operating the F-35A. According to the Air and Space Forces report, the U.S. Air Force's new F-15EX fighter jet achieved an impressive 83.13% rate of availability, while the F-35A currently has a 51.5% rate of availability. Bharat Dynamics is collaborating with Thales UK to locally produce 6 km range lightweight multirole missiles. Indian Army has placed emergency orders for low-level lightweight radars to detect small drones, especially in mountainous and valley terrains. Indian Army has launched simultaneous counter-terror operations in 34 locations in 6 districts of J&K. Bengaluru-based startup optimized Electrotech has developed India's first 5th-generation artificial intelligence-driven imaging seeker named Harpy Sight for integration with micro-missiles and UAVs. There are strong indications that the Indian Air Force might reconsider its plans to acquire additional Chinook heavy-lift helicopters. Bharat Earth Movers Limited has developed a new armored high-mobility 6x6 truck with advanced cabin design for Indian Army's mounted gun system. The DRDO developed 300 km naval anti-ship missile medium range is all set to start developmental trials that will be integrated on both the MiG-29K and the Rafale Marine. Tata Advanced Systems Limited has approached the Ministry of Defence, seeking approval to work on an advanced HALE UAV program for the Indian Armed Forces. The company aims to develop a completely new HALE UAV from scratch and intends to incorporate off-the-shelf technologies sourced from both domestic and international players to accelerate the development. Bengaluru-based Southern Electronics has successfully developed the Throttle quadrant control grip assembly and side sticks for the AMCA program, and both the products have been evaluated by pilots and approved by the Indian Air Force, and the Aeronautical Development Agency has already placed the product order. A Ministry of Defence official has said that delays in the Indian Air Force's MRFA tender centers around the delays in finalizing the request for proposal by the Air Force, which details the specific requirements and conditions under which the bidding process will occur. The Indian Air Force has not completed the draft request for proposal, which means that the Defence Ministry cannot proceed to seek an acceptance of necessity from the Defence Acquisition Council. The interministerial consultation for 12 indigenous 3,000-ton conventional submarine under Project 76 is going on, and it will be ready for CCS approval in the next 2 months. The design phase is expected to take between 2 to 3 years, and another 5 years for construction, which means that it is expected to take around 8 years to have the first submarine ready for induction. Officials have said that the TEDBF program will complete its preliminary design review by the end of June 2025, that will lock in the baseline design, allowing the team to transition to the critical design review, that will be completed before the end of 2026, and Cabinet Committee on Security Clearance is expected in 2027 for funding and authorization of prototype production. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.